Very good morning class. I welcome you all to today's English class. So from today onwards we will start the revision of English grammar. Okay. Mind you, internal questions will also come in exam in both course as well as in grammar. So here you can see I have written few questions here. I have tried from exercise. I have tried to take all the question, okay, and revise it so that important things may come in your mind again as when we will revise the chapter. So you can see here, fill in the blanks, questions are written here. Before we try to solve this, I'll try to remind you some rules related to this very chapter. Okay. Now talking about is and are. First of all, present. In present tense. Okay. Talking about present tense. Is used with what? Singular. Whenever our subject is singular. Are is used with plural. When subject is plural. When I explain this, you will understand. Okay, plural. With always what is used? I is used. Always subject. Whenever our subject will be I, we will use there. Which helping word? Am. Okay. Now has, again has is also used with singular subject. Have also with plural subject. Okay. Now past tense. Whenever sentences of past tense, was we will use with singular subject. And were we will use with plural subject. Okay. If you remember, if you learn all these things, all the questions related to this very exercise will become very easy. Now I'll try to explain the questions written here. You can see I have written variety of questions. Okay, we'll deal here. Now see, fill in the blanks. The girl dash pretty. Okay, now three options are given to you here. You have to choose one. Okay, first of all you tell me the girl. Girl is our subject here. This sentence is a present tense. Okay. Now the girl. Girl is singular or plural? Obviously, girl is what? Singular. So with singular, what do we use? Is. So option is will be correct. Clear? Now the crew dash absent. Was or were. The crew. Crew means cruise. It is not written. Crew. Crew means what? Singular. Clear? So we will write the crew was absent. The whole class dash suspended. Is and are. Now why I have written this question, you will have to, these questions are little tricky. That is why again I am telling you, please see this question very carefully. Now, whole class. Whenever we talk about class, in class only one student is there. No, there are many students. But class is what? A collective noun. Collective noun is always considered singular. So although I have written here whole class, in whole class almost about 60 to 50 students will be there. There are so many students. Then also we consider class what? Singular. Collective noun is always considered singular. So if it is singular, what we will use? Is and are is. This is an important question. Mark it. Collective nouns are always considered singular. She dashed purse in her hand. Has or have? Chalo now see. Purse. Our subject is what? She. She is singular or plural? Where is has, have here? She is singular. So what we will use? Has. She has purse in her hand. Now next week. Last week I dash watching film. Now I is singular or plural? I is singular. So what do we use here? I was. Okay, I was. singular, so we have used was. Now you might be thinking कि ma'am you have always written that if I is a subject we will use am, then why have you used was here? Then my dear student, the answer is this very question is of past tense. You see, last week, पिछले सप्ताह. Okay, this I have taught you present. If a sentence is of present tense and if I is a subject, we will always use am. But here the question is this very statement sentence is of past tense, and in past tense with if any singular subject is there, we use there what? Was. You see now, with if the option is given, you will need not to get confused between was and where. You have to choose what will be the answer. Was. How much do you dash has or have? Okay, now what is the subject here? You see, the subject here is you, and you is plural. So has have. Plural के साथ what we use? Have. So here what we will have? Okay. So at the end, only this much I will tell you about this this very chapter. That if you know this, all these things, if you keep all these things in your mind, whichever questions comes from this chapter, it will be very easy for you to solve. Clear? So now you can write that thing in your copy, and in before exam you can learn that. Clear? Now we will do revision of chapter number 15. Again I am reminding you, internal questions will also come in exam. Now let us see revision of chapter number 15. Now let's see chapter number 15 revision. Okay. Now you can see, 1 minute. Now you can see I have written few questions there. In exam this type of questions will come. Okay. Now change in past tense. First of all, here some sentences are given, you have to convert into past tense. For converting into past tense, what you have to do? What you have to actually change? You have to change the verb. So first of all, let us look for the verb. What is the verb here? I hear the children. Verb means क्या काम हो रहा है? Okay. I hear the children. What is the verb being done here? Here the verb of hearing is being done. The sun shines brightly. Okay. What is the verb? Sun doing here shining. वो shine करने का काम हो रहा है. They fight bravely. यहाँ पे कौन सा काम हो रहा है? लड़ने का, fight करने का. Okay. So first of all, we have identified the verb. Verb we have identified. Now from past tense, V1 will change to what? V2. Okay. Present से where we have to go? V2 side. That is past. You know, in your winter vacation assignment also I have given you to write all the past tense form of different words and learn them. Like in your book, if you will open page number 86, you will see all this word. Past tense of eat is what? Ate. Drink, drank. Sell, sold. Dig, dug. Separate chapter is also there in your book. So V2 form of the words we have to write. Some of the words have just different spelling, and in some of the words we add ed at the end to make its past tense. So what will be here? The past tense of here is what? I heard the children. So this you will have to learn. Okay. V2 past form of all the verbs you have to, different verbs you have to learn. The sun shines brightly. The sun, past tense of shine is shone. The sun shone brightly. Bright. Sorry. Now next, they fight bravely. Past tense of fight will be what? Fought. They fought bravely. So it is very easy when you know the past form of different verbs. So for that I have just shown you in the book. From there you will be learning the V2 form of all the verbs. Clear? This is how question will be asked to you in exam. Now next type of question is, now again you can see here I have changed the question. Now the question is change in future tense. This very sentences you have to change in future tense. Before this you have learned change the sentences into past tense. Talking about future, only one thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, I will not confuse you much. In revision, just I am giving you shortcut. Like with words like if the subject is I or if the subject is we will always use add their what? Shall. Okay. And with the rest of the things we will add will. बाकी सबके साथ we will add will, but अगर I और we हो तो we will add shall. Now let us see. I hear the children. Okay, I है, I के साथ what we will add? Shall. I shall hear the children. Is it clear? For converting anything in future tense, you will have to add what? Will or shall. Future tense will convert basically what do we just add will or shall. Now what is the trick when to add will and when to add shall? So you just remember this, that if the subject is I or we, with that we will use shall. Otherwise we will use will. Now look, the sun shines bright. Now the sun, I और we तो है यहाँ को, the sun will shine bright. Is it clear what we have added now? Will. They fight bravely. So with they also we will use what? Will. I told you कोई भी कुछ भी हो we will add will except if it is I or we. They will fight bravely. Now next, we sing nicely. चलो we है, we के साथ what we add? Shall. We shall sing nicely. Okay. So for changing in future tense, what is the trick? Only this one you have to keep in mind. So this is how the revision of chapter number 15 and 14 comes to an end. Short tricks I have given. Apply it. Internal question will also come in exam. So prepare well. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone.